You're gonna love this Barbacoa beef bowl made right at home in under an hour. The beef cooks in a super delicious liquid that not only infuses so much flavor, but it actually helps tenderize the meat. Just add all those marinated ingredients together and puree. Sear the beef in a little oil. Get that beef nice and brown. More color now means more flavor later. Pour the sauce over the beef and let it simmer. The rice gets cooked at the same time as the beef, so add all the rice ingredients to the ceramic pot. Cover it up and use the rack and cradle to set it over the beef. Release the steam. Fluff the rice with some lime juice and extra cilantro. Give the beef a quick shred. Time to build our burrito bowls. Let's add some toppings. You can't go wrong with salsa, guacamole, red onion, and of course, lots of cheese. How delicious does this look? It's spicy, it's saucy, it's so good.